Have you ever gone to your Airstream window, unlatched it, and went to open it, and it's just completely stuck and nothing's happening? That happens on occasion. The glass is stuck to the rubber grommet on the outside, and that's okay. It just happens. Step A would be to wait about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and see if it just naturally comes undone. But if you're in a real hurry, or it's still stuck after a few minutes, get your toolkit out, your wallet, take out your driver's license or your credit card or anything plastic like this that's bendable and malleable, and head outside, and I'm going to show you what to do then. So once you arrive outside and you grab your credit card or driver's license or whatever, work it between the glass and the rubber and just start making your way around. Usually by the time you get to here, it will come undone. Sometimes it's still stuck on one side and you may have to start on that side and work it out, and that's okay too. But eventually it will open up, and then you can reach in and lock it in one of the three positions from out here, and then go inside and adjust as necessary. Over time though, you need to treat the rubber seal around your windows along with every other piece on your rig, and Airstream recommends 303. These happen to be wipes. It's like a Clorox wipe or anything else, but it's coated with a 303, and you just wipe it around the grommet when the windows are open. Do the same for every other piece of rubber on your rig. Airstream also recommends that if you don't have 303 available, a little bit of olive oil will also work, and this will help keeping them from getting stuck. If you have any questions, reach out to our service team here at Airstream of Utah. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day.